So, hello guys, today I'm going to review Store Blazer. So, first of all, we are going to the sales page. So, here is Store Blazer. Is this the Shopify killer? Easily create amazing e-com print on demand e-com stores that have zero risk and make sales 24/7 while you sit back, relax, and profit like crazy. So, they're telling that create amazing e-com print on demand stores that have zero risk and you can make sales 24/7 while you sit back and relax and profit like crazy. So let's see the sales video here.
There's never been a better time to start your own business. With the world on lockdown and trying to figure things out during the pandemic, I've been noticing a new emerging trend that's making billions of dollars and shows no signs of slowing down anytime soon. And today, in this short video, I want to share how you can tap into that very same market. Because of the pandemic, online ordering has increased. People are fearful and their shopping habits have changed, and at least half are saying that even when things lift, they won't change how they shop. While this may not be great for a lot of local businesses, this presents a great opportunity for you. Because it means that e-commerce is only going to continue to grow in the coming months and years to come. And the best way to get your share of the pie is by having your own e-com store that sells just about any product you can imagine. But one of the hottest trends in product ordering right now is print-on-demand products.
Then after that so in the sales video they are telling that there is a great opportunity in the e-com and everyone is ordering online, so there is a great profit and you can profit now and boom your life. So here, so never seen before revolutionary print on demand technology lets your visitors come customize their designs live on screen as they shop with zero work from you. They can create and buy items from you like this. Means they can change the graphics, the names, and the background of the t-shirts, and they can upload their photos which they want to buy, and they can upload the photo and change the text, and means that they can customize the whole thing and they can buy. So this is a very great opportunity, that is print on demand. So here they wrote that no risk involved and no need to purchase any inventory. Take advantage of the booming e-com industry during lockdown and beyond with this one of a kind opportunity. No monthly fees required. So here, get your own customizable products e-com store for one-time payment only. Means there is a one-time payment that should be done now, and they will not ask for any payment monthly or yearly like Shopify, because Shopify takes much money than it, and it takes monthly. The basic plan of Shopify is $29 per month, and the advanced package is $299 per month. So then after this, profiting from your own print on demand e-com store has never been easier. If you have always wanted to sell online but never got around to it, or thought it was too hard, or didn't want all the hassles of ordering, stocking, packing and shipping, pay attention, this is for you. So first of all, easy platform to use, perfect for newbies and advanced marketers. Means if you are a newbie, then it is easy platform to use. No product saturation, allows you to create more winners, personalization options, so your customers can create custom products. As I told, that the customers on your site, on your e-com site, will come and they can change their graphics, they can upload the photos, they can change the text, and they can buy. So this is a great opportunity in the e-com industry now, in this product. So 2000 designs in over 50 different niches plus 10,000 graphic elements. Easily create e-com upsell funnels for more profit. No monthly fees or expensive add-ons to purchase like Shopify. So so as I told that the Shopify takes monthly fees, or and so no monthly fees is here. It is a one-time payment only. So then it is telling, if you don't know what to print on demand is and how powerful it can be for you, prepare to be amazed. So these are all the means this there are many reasons to buy for here, so they are telling the reasons here. So then here it is coming, introducing Store Blazer. So just three simple steps to your very own simple print on demand profitable e-com store. Set up your Store Blazer account with your license key. I will show you how easily, means they will show you how easily it is to set up your license key and set up your Store Blazer account. Then add your products for sale and get traffic the way I show you. Means they will show you the how to add the products for sale and get and how to get traffic. And uh, then uh, then the third simple step is collect your profits. So and that's it. When you do things the way I show you along with Store Blazer, the end results can be end up being phenomenal. Means they will show you the whole thing, how to get traffic and how to get all that stuff. So take a look at everything included inside of Store Blazer. Nothing else even comes close. So first of all, works incredibly fast. Never lack for design ideas again. With over 2000 pre-made designs that can be set up with personalization elements, you can cash in big time selling t-shirts, mugs and hoodies around the clock. Full featured personalization editor, dynamic image options, dynamic text options, placeholder image option, tons of different options included, hundreds of mocha pie photos, make money from special occasions like special occasions. So under it is written the available pre-made designs also cover most major holidays and seasons such as 4th of July, Christmas, Halloween, Easter, autumn, summer, or you will have extremely relevant products to sell all year round. So you can make money from special occasions. So when like Christmas is coming or Halloween is coming, then you can sell Halloween type t-shirts, or you can sell Christmas t-shirts on that there is a Santa Claus. Then if they like if they like the t-shirt, or if they don't like the t-shirt, then they can do this. And then after it, see your customization options. Then easy fulfill your own orders if you like. Easy click order fulfillment. Admin levels that give you the freedom. Highly customizable cart rules. Detailed insights to know what's working. Highly customizable catalog rules. Secure lightning fast hosting. Then easy payment options, easy comp funnels for more profit. Every function you need to profit is already included. Unlimited orders and purchases. Save money with no monthly fees. Create and sell up to 200 products monthly. Multiple currencies to avoid confusion. So they are offering multiple currencies to accept. Then fast and shows on every device correctly. 50 niches of instant products. Then uh, these are the these are the features you are getting inside the Store Blazer. So it is a very great platform. It is very much good than Shopify or other e-com store builder. I'm suggesting you to buy Store Blazer from the link below, and I will show you the bonus page also. So these are the so here they are telling the 7 reasons to you need to get Store Blazer now. Reason hashtag 1, Store Blazer is perfect for you to boom from the coming e-com market boom. Reason 2, Store Blazer allows you to get into profit faster. Reason 3, Store Blazer is perfect for the struggling newbie. Reason 4, Store Blazer saves you a ton of money now and in the future. Means you can boom now only if you buy now. Store Blazer is totally flexible. The last builder you will need to sell anything. Reason hashtag 6, Store Blazer gives you the ability to profit during lockdown and beyond. The Store Blazer is brand new. You are the first to get in at a special price. So these were the 7 reasons you need to buy Store Blazer. So here comes a vendor. So the vendor's name is Fletcher Prescott. He's the creator of the Store Blazer. He runs a huge network of social media pages and groups dedicated to various niches. So he created Store Blazer because he was frustrated with the e-com store apps out there. It seemed like each one had something missing, or they were going to nickel and dime him into oblivion. So he could have the features he wanted. So means he was frustrated with all the e-com store apps because the features he wanted was missing. So he created his own app and he is selling now. So uh, there is risk free for the next 30 days, 100% money back guarantee. And then there are many options like this, as I told above. So before, so there are two options, no OTOs, only two versions, sorry, two versions, light and full. So we are coming to the light store blazer. So your own e-com store set up and ready to make orders in minutes. Over 2,000 pre-made designs to add for instant ready to sell products. Full featured personalization editor, use templates or design from scratch, dynamic images and text for buyer customized products, uploadable image for buyer customized products, preloaded fonts and 10,000 graphic elements, hundreds of mock-up photos, upload your own designs, SEO customization option, easy click order fulfillment with printful and gear bubble or downloadable print file to fulfill your own orders, details, stats and insights for catching trends, admin access level for employees. So if you have any employee or I want to hire an employee, so there is admin access and virtual assistants access also. So then easy payment options for PayPal or bank transfer means they collect the money from the customers, then they will transfer the money to PayPal or to your bank account. So then we are coming to customizable discount and catalog rules, secure fast Amazon hosting means they give they give hosting like Amazon. That is the best hosting they are giving. Easy e-com funnels for upsells and cross sells, multiple currencies, works on every device, unlimited orders and purchases, no cap, maximum of 100 products in your store, up to 20 niches of importable products, 30 days satisfaction guarantee. And the price of this is a one-time payment of $92 and you can buy now it. And it is same like this in the full version that is most popular and is recommended. Then the bonuses which you are getting in full version is maximum of 200 products, but in the light version you are getting 100 products. It is 200 products in the full version you are getting in your store. So up to 50 niches of importable products, but you are getting 20 niches of importable products in light. And in the full version bonus, next you are getting crash course training, his my behind the scenes techniques that generated $2 million in sales using two specific platforms with organic and paid traffic. So he is going to give you the crash course training. He is going to give you the behind the scenes of how he generated $2 million in sales by using two specific platforms with organic and paid traffic. And the bonus is now no monthly fees if you buy now. So 30 days satisfaction guarantee, regular only $97. So $97 is only the special savings and it will end in 6 days. So buy now, it is a one-time payment of $97. Buy now. And there are many FAQ, frequently asked questions, and they have a 30-day money back guarantee. So let's come to our bonus page, that is in the link in the description. So check it out and buy from the link given below, because you are going to get the premium bonuses that you will need in order to grow your e-com store when you will buy Store Blazer, because it is needed, otherwise it is a waste of money. Attention, this special bonus page comes down at 11:59 p.m. EST on Thursday, March 4th. Click here to grab Store Blazer. So my insane bonus bundle, Store Blazer is, so these are all the things like this. Then you are here, it is click here to secure your copy and your bonus. When you will click this, then this page will be opened in a new tab. Then you are going to buy from here. So this is a great opportunity. Let's come to the bonuses. So in the bonuses option, you are getting the 3 traffic sources, which is the value of this is $574. That is very much insane. They are insane 3 traffic sources that I am giving to you. Next we are coming to bonus 2, value $247, 7 proven ways to grow e-commerce sales by 50% or more, increase e-commerce sales. Bonus hashtag 3, value $354 or above. It can be more in other store. 6 tips to increase your e-commerce sales 2021. Bonus hashtag 4 value is $687. Insane. It is insane. 99.9% of e-commerce products will never sell without this e-commerce marketing strategy. And instant bonus delivery when you will buy from JVZoo, because it is in JVZoo only. It is a marketplace. So here, after you purchase, then there will be your JVZoo receipt. Then after this, here will be, it will be written that store blazer custom bonuses. Then you are clicking on that. Then you are getting all my bonuses, these huge bonuses you are getting, these 4 huge bonuses you are getting, and this will increase your sales and make you a millionaire. So thanks for taking the time to check out my reviews and bonuses to your success. Subhashish Goin, and check out the link given in the description. Thanks for watching. Bye.